is Wendy. Welcome to Wendy Forester Shop.
When did you actually start to have this kind of business?
I think I come here is 2018.
2018?
Yeah, 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. The first, I just the helper and the marketing. Yeah, sales only.
Yes.
But when I work there after 1 month, I like to do. So I asked our forester in the shop teach me, and I learn. I keep to learn, and I go the florist school. Then it also. So after that, I always watch the book, how to make the bouquet, or the video, something like that. Yeah. Because I think when I just chill, I like to make something. We have a fresh flower.
Fresh flowers.
We have a dry flower. Also, we selling the gift.
Okay, so gift that comes along with the flower.
Yeah.
Ah, so I see preserved fresh flower.
Yeah.
Ah.
He can keep forever.
Really?
Yeah, forever. Give him can keep forever.
Forever.
Always this color, always that then.
Like how many roses do we have there?
More than 40. More than 40.
More than 40.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Because it's from China. Because the force, they are very strong. I think you ever see the local flower have a so long stem. So it's very strong and he can keep long time. So that's why I chose. This rose is from China, Yunnan of China. Yeah. But it's really nice. It's really different than local. This style, this is the Korean style, the bouquet. Yeah, it's more natural.
Yeah.
So this bouquet, we're selling it 4,500. In Mother's Day, we have a big promo. It's that include one frame and also unlimited dry flower. Unlimited.
Unlimited dried flowers?
But you do it.
So DIY?
Yeah, it's DIY. So customer, they will come to our shop and we will prepare all the things you need.
Yes.
And you come here to do it and we will teach you also. Yeah.
So that is something more personalized from the customer.
Because I think it's for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
We need some special and we need some important gift for our mother.
Correct.
Now it's only 1,999 peso only.
So for only 1,999 pesos, they're gonna get this one and then they're gonna put
unlimited
unlimited
dried flowers.
Yeah.